Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch. If you like to do this stitch for a bag or a blanket, this is the back. It's quite reversible. This is the back and this is the front. If you like, you can do this. When you work this stitch, one side will have a tendency to go like this, so you just stretch it and it's gonna be okay. Yeah. But it's very easy. This stitch goes really fast. It's a little bit awkward, this one, the way we have to work this stitch. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 2, even numbers, doesn't matter, even numbers. So okay, I chain here 14 and I'm working with 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. What we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain, and in the next chain we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, and we're gonna do like this until we finish this row. So skip the next stitch, and in the next you're gonna do the same, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and in the next you're gonna do a single crochet and then chain 1, skip 1, and in the next do a single crochet, chain 1, and so on. Skip next, and in the next you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, and you're gonna be left with 2 chains. So skip the next chain, and in the last chain we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and now we're not gonna turn the work. We're gonna go backwards and we're gonna work backwards. It's a little bit, especially the first row, it's really uncomfortable. So we're gonna work into the one chain space, yeah, in here, this one. So we're gonna go in there, pick up a loop and do a single crochet, then chain 1. We're gonna skip the next single crochet, and in the next chain 1 space here we're gonna go and we're gonna do a single crochet. So pull up a loop and then do a single crochet, chain 1. So you skip the next single crochet, and in the chain 1 space you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, and you're gonna do like this. Skip the next single crochet, and in the chain 1 space right here we're gonna go back there and we're gonna pull up a loop and then do a single crochet, chain 1, and keep doing like this. Skip the next single crochet, and in the chain 1 chain space we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, and again skip the next, and in the chain 1 space you're gonna do a single crochet, and you have the last here, you're gonna go inside here. So you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do the same, pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain 1, and now we're gonna work into the chain 1 space and we're gonna work like this. The chain 1 space, it's right here. It's very easy to put your crochet hook underneath, yeah. So we're gonna go first in here underneath there and we're gonna do single crochet, chain 1, move to the next chain 1 space, you know, you go in there underneath that and you do a single crochet, chain 1, skip this single crochet, and then you go into the chain 1 space there, do a single crochet, chain 1, and so on. There are only 2 row repeat this stitch has, and this one, at least this row, is very easy. So you do like this, and now at the end you have a stitch here, right here, so we're gonna go into that stitch and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, and now we're gonna repeat. We're gonna go into this 1 chain space here, pull up a loop and then do a single crochet, chain 1. You move to the next chain 1 space, you skip the single crochet, and in the 1 chain space there you pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain 1, and so on. We're gonna do like this. Chain 1, you skip the next single crochet, and in the chain 1 space you go in there and you pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain 1, and you skip the next single crochet, and in the chain 1 space you go in there, do a single crochet, chain 1, and you're gonna go here right in between, right there. Gonna go there, do the same, chain 1, and now you repeat the row with a single crochet. So you go into the space here, do a single crochet, chain 1, and you move to the next chain 1 space there, do a single crochet, chain 1, and so on. Yeah, it's a little bit awkward, it's to go back, but if you like this this stitch, you can work with this. It's very easy and it doesn't need so much yarn. So the last, we're gonna go in there into the stitch on top there, and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 1, and you go into the first space here, go in there, pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain 1, you skip the next single crochet, and in the chain 1 space there you pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain 1, and you do like this. Yeah, you see already it goes like this. It's weird. So you skip the single crochet, and in the chain 1 space pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain 1, and so on. It's a very easy stitch, it goes fast. So you go in between here, yeah, you go in between here, do a single crochet, chain 1, and then you repeat the row with a single crochet and chain 1, move to the next chain 1 space in there, do a single crochet, chain 1, yeah, it's very easy and it goes fast. At least this row, it's easy. Okay, you reach the end and you have the stitch right here. So you're gonna go in there, do a single crochet, chain 1, and then you go into the first space here. The space is right here. Yeah, so you go in there, do a single crochet, and then you move to the next, and so on. If you want, you can make as high as you like the loop when you pull this, but if you put too much, this is gonna be like this, the loop. So depends the way you like it. So you go in between right here, and then chain 1, and then you're gonna go into this space here, you do a single crochet, chain 1, you move to the next space, do a single crochet, chain 1. If I move too fast in this tutorial, just slow down the speed of the video. You have in your right side corner, you have that wheel, you press on that, click on that, and then it's gonna, you choose the speed if I move too fast. You chain 1, and then the first space, it's right here, right there. So yeah, as you can see, it kind of goes like here. So you're gonna have to do like this. Yeah, one side it's kind of straight, you know, one side is straight, but one goes like, you know, a little bit like this. So if for a blanket, if you like, you can put borders just to hide the, if you don't like the sides. But I think it's nice, it's like peacock, looks cute. yeah, this is the stitch. So this is the sample, and this is what we worked up until now. This color you don't see that much. Yeah, but if you like this stitch, well, give it a try. You might like it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.